Welcome to Mr. Office Excel Daily 1-Minute Tips. Today's tip, using keyboard shortcuts. Let's start with copying and pasting data. Select the range B2 to C6 and press Ctrl plus C to copy. Now select cell E2 and press Ctrl plus V to paste. This is much faster than using your mouse. Next, if you make a mistake, you can press Ctrl Z to undo. Ctrl Y for redo. For quick calculations, select the cell where you want the result, for example, D7, and press Alt or plus equals to auto-sum the prices. Finally, select the header row A1 to D1 and press Ctrl plus B to make it bold. If you found this tip useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily Excel tips. See you tomorrow with another tip.